See if they can go over the bump. Meanwhile, 17-18 here. That's going to be the Fighting Pie.
Middle of the field is getting cleaned up right now by every member of
Red Alliance out from 248 to 195. Blue Alliance has crossed the 200-point mark.
Making life difficult for the crew on their second basket of fuel.
We see 76-17 playing defense on Super Duper. They do not want them to score if they want.
makes their way back to their zone. Oh, and 894 takes a tumble and flips completely upside down.
They move their robot around. Warrior bots in that neutral zone, bumping into Hilltopper. Unfortunately, looks like new Apple Core.
Their second pass on a Mission Nation is following suit as well. Red Alliance holding steady right now.
The Fighting Robo Vikings.
Fuel flying all over the place into the hubs. Everyone going back. Yin and yang for a Wyndham windup and mechanical advantage.
They're distracting and disturbing the scoring by the Red Alliance. All the field is taking the beating.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell to stay up to date on future fun videos. Build your alliance with so many other FRC alumni who go to Kettering University. Every student at Kettering experiences their cutting-edge co-op programs that seamlessly blend the professional and academic worlds. Kettering co-ops are a fully immersive working experience at the leading edge of industry. Head on over to kettering.edu/FRC to learn more about their incredible programs and to get more information.